A recurring charge in Visual ClubMate allows you to apply a charge to a member at regular intervals, say every month for membership dues or a locker. There are a lot of nice things you can do with a recurring charge. For one thing, you can make a global charge to the amount attached to the recurring charge code. This means that if you're going to raise the price for a locker or a particular membership type, you can make that change in the recurring charges table here, and the change will be made for every member who has this code assigned. You can also bind this charge to a specific membership type, and whenever you assign a member to that membership type, that recurring charge will be automatically created for the member. Let's take a look. Every recurring charge starts with an inventory item. So we're going to just pick test 3 as ours. Simply go to the back end, go to Tables, Accounts Receivable, and bring up your recurring charges setup. Click New. You get 10 digits for your recurring charge code. And you get a few more for your description. Then you want to tell the system how often you want to apply this recurring charge. You can do it for selected months of the year only, keeping in mind that there is not a specific year assigned to this, so it will just perpetually go with whatever months you select. Or you can have the charge recur perpetually at whatever interval you decide. 1 month, 3 month, depends on what your needs are. You also want to put in a member prefix or an invoice prefix, and this will show up on your invoices. Simply go in, pick your inventory item, and save. And there it is, your first recurring charge. To attach this recurring charge to a membership type, go to Member Type Recurring Charges, click New, pick your membership type, and assign the recurring charge code to it. Save, and you'll notice that it asks me if I want to create recurring charges for all the members that belong to the membership type. This would be an awesome thing to do if I just imported 1,500 members into my system and I'm creating recurring charges for all of them. However, at the moment we're not doing that, so I'm going to say no. Let's go attach this recurring charge to someone. We'll pick a member. We'll go to the customer record, go to recurring, minimum recurring charges, click the little plus sign, pick the person that I want it to assign, pick the recurring charge, which is test 8, save, and this recurring charge is now on this account. One of the things you do want to make sure of is the start date. Make sure you always enter the start date that you'd like to begin charging, so that if you're using our automated billing, it will begin on the right date. You can also put an end date in for your convenience. There are also other ways to manage this, which you can ask us about. And that's how to create a recurring charge. If you have any questions about this feature, please feel free to give us a call. We'll be happy to help.